Yo, this is how you make restaurant quality sundubu at the comfort of your home. Woo. Literally, this would be the best sundubu dish you'll make at home. So H Mart Deliveries here. Hey, how are you? We're gonna make this a quick 10-minute recipe, all right? Let's go. First thing first, we're gonna chop up some vegetables. So here we got some scallion, zucchini, onion, and some mushroom. First, we're gonna chop up some scallions. Boom, 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 boom. Just like that. So the scallion is just to make the pagiram and also for garnish. Just like that. All right, we're gonna chop up some mushrooms. So we don't need that much mushroom. I'm just doing that to flex a little. All right, so we're gonna chop up some zucchini. Let's go. Boom. Just like that. Whew. And lastly, some onion. This is a super simple recipe. I feel like a lot of people don't actually make it at home. Just like that. All right, so all of our vegetables ready. So here you see some mushrooms, zucchini, onion, and some scallion. And that's it. Now the vegetables ready, let's get to the cooking. So burners out, high heat. All right, we're gonna go 2 tablespoons of oil. Boom. A tablespoon of scallion. Whew. 2 tablespoons of onion. Look at that. This right here is what we call pagiram. That's where all the flavor is coming from. All right, so now we're gonna throw in a tablespoon of pepper powder and half a tablespoon of pepper flakes and a half a tablespoon of garlic. Look, y'all, this is where all the flavor is coming from. All right, so you don't want to just dump this on the broth. You first make this, then make the sundubu. All right, so now we're gonna add a cup of water or dashi stock in there. Just like that. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Ooh, this showing boiling fast. Okay. All right, we're gonna go half a tablespoon of soy sauce and a tablespoon of fish sauce, a little bit of hondashi, some salt to taste, and some black pepper to taste. All right, let's give that a taste. Ooh. So the base is here. So let's throw in our seafood and our vegetables. All right, so for seafood, here we have some squid, shrimp, and some clam. With the shrimp, you don't really gotta peel it. You could just throw it right in. Same thing as clam. Just make sure you run it in the water so there's no like shells in there, you know? Only thing that we're really chopping up is some squid. Boom, just like that. Yeah, this is all we really need. All right, so let me explain to you guys. So right here is 50 grams of shrimp, 50 grams of squid, and 50 grams of clam. 50 grams of onion, 50 grams of mushroom, and 50 grams of zucchini. So basically it's 150 grams of seafood and 150 grams of vegetable. Make the recipe to your liking. If you like more shrimp, add more shrimp. Just make sure it totals out to 150 grams. And same thing with the vegetables. You might not like mushroom, you might like zucchini more, or you might hate onions, right? So rotate around and just get to 150 grams. Okay? All right, so once that's boiling, we're gonna throw in 50 grams of squid, 50 grams of shrimp, and 50 grams of clam in there. Hey, how are you? All right, back to the recipe. All right, and a little bit of clam juice in there. Ooh, you could taste to see, you know what I mean? It already tasted good, but just by adding the squid, the clam, and the shrimp, that kind of becomes a seafood broth, you know what I mean? Let's taste it. Ooh. All right, so now we're gonna throw in our vegetables. All right, so now we're gonna throw in our onion, 50 grams of mushroom, and 50 grams of zucchini. Again, if you guys like more squid, you like more shrimp, you like more onion, zucchini, switch it around. And you see the oil floating around? Take that out. You could give this to your enemy. Ooh. Look at that. All right, so everything's in there. Now we're gonna throw in our tofu. So we're gonna throw 250 grams of soft tofu in there. Ooh, just like that. So let me give you guys a little tip. For the soft tofu, you don't wanna break it up. You want the customer to be able to break it up. So we're gonna have big chunks of soft tofu in there. See what I mean? Be gentle with it. Ooh, by some. I literally made this with no stock either. So this actually tastes better with anchovy stock, but it's already amazing. Basta, basta, basta. All right, so we're gonna finish it with some scallions. Whew, look at that. I like that. Look at that beautiful sundubu. Whew, look at that. Sundubu's ready to go. I'm gonna grab some rice and some side dish, and let's go eat. Whew. Got some fresh kimchi here. And just like that, sundubu's ready to be served. Let's go. Whew. Whew. Let's go. 감사합니다. Egg going in. Just like that. Let me ask you guys, do you guys like your eggs scrambled or, or do you guys just leave the egg alone? What do you do?
I like to crush it as much as possible.
You do? Yeah, I like to just pop it just once, just like that. All right, let's go. Moment of truth. 진짜 맛있어. Soft tofu right here. Ooh. Yo, so what is it about Korean people? They love eating soup that is like boiling, boiling hot. And that's me, man. So hot. You see it steaming? Does it? Woo! It's so hot. You know what? Yup. I just ate the shell with it. You never eat shrimp with shells?
No. Wait, if you eat then, do you eat the head too?
No, I'm not a head person. But some people like to suck on the head. Dang, you don't eat shell?
Oh.
So when it's too hot sometimes, I just like to throw it like here. Just mix it up a little bit. Mix it with the rice, cool it off. Soondubu is one of the best sellers at the restaurant. I can't believe I'm sharing this recipe with you guys, but this joint, fire. If you want the written down recipe, make sure to go check out my website at chefchrischo.com. It should all be there. I'm gonna go finish the rest of this, but hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Yabaseo.
Is it possible to make that not spicy?
Actually, so many people ask me about that, right? Can you make this non-spicy? Next video. Coming soon. Next week, I think.